Hi, this is Luke and I am the spokesperson for Study Group Courses. Welcome to Study Group Courses, where we specialize in empowering professionals, entrepreneurs, and intrapreneurs to excel in their careers through the mastery of effective communication skills. Our mission is simple: to equip individuals with the tools they need to thrive in today's competitive landscape. Effective communication is the cornerstone of success in any field. Whether you're navigating complex business negotiations, leading a team, or pitching your ideas, the ability to articulate your thoughts clearly and persuasively is paramount. That's where we come in. Through personalized training and coaching, we help our clients harness the power of communication to achieve their goals. But our approach goes beyond just teaching communication techniques. We understand that true confidence and charisma stem from within. That's why our curriculum is anchored in cutting-edge methodologies such as Neuro-Linguistic Programming, NLP, and Cognitive Behavioral Therapy, CBT. By addressing mindset and behavioral patterns, we empower our clients to cultivate authentic confidence that radiates in every interaction. Our design thinking module takes this a step further by fostering a culture of innovation and productivity. By integrating principles of NLP and CBT into the design process, we help our clients unlock new perspectives and creative solutions to challenges they face. The result? A significant increase in productivity and effectiveness, whether in the workplace or in their own ventures. At the heart of our philosophy is the belief that learning is the key to earning. That's why our #LearnToEarn encapsulates our mission perfectly. By investing in their personal and professional development, our clients not only enhance their earning potential but also lay the foundation for long-term success. Our approach is versatile, seamlessly integrating into both B2C and B2B modules. Whether you're an individual looking to advance your career or an organization seeking to boost productivity, our programs are tailored to meet your specific needs. By focusing on the root of success, we ensure that our clients remain grounded on their journey to achieving their goals. Join us at Study Group Courses and unlock your full potential. Together, let's embark on a journey of growth, success, and transformation. Thank you. See you soon.